We are live. Let me get everything set up, send the text messages because y'all been asking me to make sure I post it on Twitter and other social media since you haven't been getting the notifications. Let's play some music and I'm going to ping Moomoo link where you can get some free stocks. And we are going to get the party started and I will be back in about 3 minutes.
Is it all for the name? Is that why you're in my lane? If I had no money, could you love me the same? Would I be the one you claim? Or is this all just a game? I ain't think so, I ain't mean her. Want the Benz and the Lex and the Beamer. Want the nails done every time I see her. But every other time she don't need ya. Got a new know how to use it. Get in tune with ya, make a fool of ya. Love she wants you to do for her, but that body crazy, so you say what that booty do? How them jeans fit your booty, boo? I want that tootie too. Toot that on my roller, boo. You look like you got that crazy mouth, that brazy mouth, amazing mouth. You single, well of course you're not, but I'm still trying to take that lady out, so we talk together. FaceTime nights, we talk forever. Months go by, we trust the vibe. No Dunkin' Hines, but I'm a chocolate lover. Fell in love with that shorty, and the way too shortly. Sold me a smile and a dream. I guess it always as good as it seems. Yeah, let me know if all you want is the change. Is it all for the name? Is that why you're in my lane? If I had no money, could you love me the same? Would I be the one you claim? Or is this all just a game? No. Let me know if all you want is the change. Is it all for the name? Is that why you're in my lane? If I had no money, could you love me the same? Would I be the one you claim? Or is this all just a game? Breathe slow, love, think fast. Baby, would you love me if I ain't have all this cash? Would you stay around me, or would you diss me and clown me? Go back to the ones you was with before you found me. All the cheating and frowning, yeah, I bet you would. I know you would. You ain't used to under 7 figures, and I got the money that you want so bad, but you ain't getting with your trifling. And I never called you out your name. No, I never had another. Never disrespected you. I accepted you and all your kids. Last time, the last time, girl, it won't be no next time. No next time. You really f***ed up with the best guy. The best. Girl, it won't be no next time. No next time. No next time. Last time, the last time, girl, it won't be no next time. No next time. You f***ed up with the best guy. The best guy. Girl, it won't be no next time. No next time.
What's going on?
Let me know if all you want is the change. Is it all for the name? Is that why you're in my lane? If I had no money, could you love me the same? Would I be the one you claim? Or is this all just a game? Let me know if all you want is the change. Is it all for the name? Is that why you're in my lane? If I had no money, could you love me the same? Would I be the one you claim? Or is this all just a game?
What's up, y'all? What's up? What is going on? Welcome. I am your boy Lando Success, your favorite motivational teacher, and I don't like the way this camera have a player looking. That's the bad thing about when you use I'm not in my studio. I don't look how I want everything to be looking. Come on. And it's crazy. All I got to do is clean my little mobile cam, and that would get everything right. So how y'all doing tonight, man? We are about to talk about this Fed meeting going on tomorrow. I don't know why, for some reason, when I go live, it's not sharing it to everybody. Let me know if y'all getting these notifications for when I do go live. Let's see if I turn this light out back here. We'll get everything straightened up. Let's see, still look a little weird, but yeah. So a lot of people have been saying they haven't been getting the notifications. Let me know in the comments if you have been getting it whenever I go live, because seems like I'm logging into my other channels to see if I'm getting a notification, and it really don't look like it. So we're going to talk about the Fed meeting, what is going on there. Should you guys be scared tomorrow? Are you scared? Because I'm not scared. I know what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you guys in this one. There we go. I got that. Make sure you can click the link in the description for your free stocks with Moomoo. All right. So we have a lot to talk about tonight. We have the Fed meeting, which everybody is actually scared of for some reason. Well, it's an important reason. People think the market is completely going to crash starting tomorrow. I don't believe that 100%, but we are going to see. So let's see what's going on in the market. So right here it says market churn. Oh, there we go. Appreciate that like who just came in here. Better investors brace for Fed meeting. Actually, let me switch over so y'all can see me on my screen share. There we go. It say investors expect the Fed to signal on Wednesday that it have a plan to raise the rates in March, tightening monetary policy for the first time since it slashed borrowing costs to near zero soon after onset of the coronavirus pandemic nearly 2 years ago. Fed funds futures, which track the short-term rate expectations, have priced in a total of 4 rate increases this year as the central banks fight to stem soaring inflation. So we have a lot going on off the last meeting they did in December. When they did that meeting in December, they basically just talked about, we're going to raise rates and we're going to actually do it slowly. It said the Fed is also expected to give the final signal of instructions on bringing its assets purchase program to an end. That process began last November, and at the current pace, it will come close to mid-March, around the time the first rate hike may occur. So that's why people are saying that the stock market is going to completely go down until March. That's why you got me. Kevin said, "Hey, I'm out of here." What's going on? Everybody just came in the room. Press that like button, press subscribe button. We gonna kick it. What the Fed does after that point with nearly $9 trillion balance sheet is a key concern. You got Jerome Powell may shed more light on that outlook at his press conference on Wednesday after 2 days of the meeting conclusion. Said the NASDAQ is down 14% year to date. It just notched its worst week since March 2020. So it's almost a year, man. It's been bad. While years on a benchmark 10 years treasury. Y'all got Omar in the background. Cryptocurrencies are among the most speculative asset that's taken a beating, with Bitcoin losing 25% of its market capitalization this month. So you got crypto going down. It's down 20%. With some of the big money people saying, if the sell-off leaks to the broader economy and start to impact the energy banking, if history is an indicator, the central bank will likely try to avoid rattling market futures and raise rates in 25 basis points increments. The Fed has not raised interest rates more than 25 basis points in one policy period since May 2000. So they haven't did it basically in 22 years. Basically what they're saying, It's really hard to explain, but they have a certain basically a point system whenever they raise the inflation. So they saying, let's see, back in 2000, when it raised it over 50 points to 6.5%. Let's see. So a lot of people are scared. I honestly think usually whenever everybody is scared, everybody, the whole economy, stock market, crypto people is scared for tomorrow because they think he's going to come, say we're about to raise rates something crazy, and we're about to crash the market. Whenever we expect something like that, the market usually does the exact opposite. And the market might be green tomorrow and actually take off. Who is in here? What's up, y'all? They said that about the last meeting. Exactly. That's what I believe. Crow, we got Doge, Crow, Polkadot. We got a lot of the altcoin people is in here. What is more certain for games? Let's see. What's more certain? That's a good one. I don't know yet. I will have to let you know on that. So make sure y'all press the like button, subscribe button. So here go a video. What I believe tomorrow is going to be a good buying day for a lot of people. Well, mainly for the rich people. I think they're going to buy like crazy.
Yeah, Scott, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. So did we bottom yesterday? What are we supposed to do as investors now?
Well, as you know, when sell-offs start, you never know when they're going to finish. But we've already seen such a big reset that I think unless someone thinks the economy's turned and the bull market is peaking, and that's not our view, right? These are great entry points for people because you've got so many stocks down, and yesterday had the feel of get me out of everything, which has been part of this buyer strike. So the bottom line, Scott, is I think people have to look at this as a really attractive opportunity in 2022.
You know, I'm pulling from a note that you guys had, and I think it was from your technical strategist, Newton. Retests look likely.
Yeah,
Mark Newton. So I mean, you're saying it's a buying opportunity, but some of your people at least are thinking that we're going to have retests, right? That this today is likely not the only one. I want to be clear on exactly, as we're telling people now's a buying opportunity, that it still could be turbulent moving forward.
That's right, Scott. Mark, for anyone who wants to use technical and buy entries, which is what Mark's trying to provide insights for, and someone who wants to find a tactical low, when you hit the bottom and everything, from there, the selling is completed. According to Mark's work, we're not there yet. But for someone who's thinking about where the market is 6 months, 12 months from now, and that's really how active managers have to manage, right? Because they're not trying to necessarily catch the bottom, but they're trying to find good entry points.
So basically, I'm with them. You have a lot of companies that made the most money they ever made in their life in the year 2021, year 2020. The market went up overall last year 18%. And that's even with December being a bad month. These companies have money just sitting on the side, and they are hoping we have a lot of fear, we get terrified, and everybody gets to selling and the market crash. If that happened, they are going to buy in and buy the dip heavy. So I think it's going to alleviate the crash a little bit, and the crash is not going to actually be that bad. What's up, kid? All done. Eat that. So that's what I think what's going to go on. We got Hex. We got the Hexkins in the building. Said for certain Ada would do nothing. Look, Ada's going to be all right. You just got to wait it out. You just got to have a little bit of faith in good old Ada. So let's see what's going on in the crypto world. Few coins was moving, man, today. Few definitely was popping. Bitcoin is up 1% over the last 24 hours. Still down 13% in the last week. Ethereum is looking bad over the last week, but last 24 hours, we finally seen some green. The exchanges are doing good because people actually been buying heavy today, if you ask me. BNB up over 4%, down 20 in the last week. ADA still getting beat up. It don't make sense, man. ADA is getting whooped on. I think it's mainly because of the pancake swap. I figured it was going to go bad for probably a few weeks to a month. Then once it figure everything out, it should be doing good. But Jesus, good thing is ADA can completely snap that finger anytime. So right around $1 is a great buy-in point for ADA, if you ask me. Solana finally having a good day, up 4%. Dogecoin, Polkadot, Avalanche up 8%. That's big. Matic is at $1.56. Man, everything just been getting a beating. You have good old crypto.com. It's up 6%. It is trying to crack 40 cent. It's trying to. It's getting right to it and stopping. It's getting literally right there. But yeah, man. What crypto are y'all buying right now? And I think it might still be a good spike tomorrow. Because overall, I told people probably a week ago that I believe we're going to probably have a red year in cryptocurrency and in the market. People are like, man, everything will go to the moon. I figured it was going to be a red year. So I think they're going to do this meeting tomorrow. We're going to have a green day, but the market overall is not going to go too much. Too bad. Review on Ergo. I haven't did a review on them yet. I will definitely check them out. No, I never worried about it. Ain't the first dip. That's the mindset you got to have. You know, what's the point of being scared, man? It's all about fear. I think the billionaires and the main big companies, they're basically coming in to try to scare us at this point. Whoever just gave me a dislike, your mom is a Jezebel. She is definitely a Jezebel. Crow in the building. But yeah, man, what's going on? Hit that like button. Let's see what is going on for the stock market. Stocks making the biggest moves after the bail. Got Microsoft, F5, Navient, and more. Crypto collapse erases more than $1 trillion in wealth, forcing a reckoning for everyday investors. So have you guys heard about Odell Beckham Jr.? Now, I'm assuming that's what they're going to talk about because he ended up deciding to have his whole paycheck, his whole income come to him in Bitcoin, right? I honestly think that was a good move to be able to have his money come to him in Bitcoin, but he ended up doing it during a downtime. So let's say, for example, if he was going to get paid $10 million, we're just going to say $10 million. If it's down close to 50%, you are getting paid $5 million because you end up deciding to get your money paid in Bitcoin. Overall, when you are already rich and don't necessarily need the money, I'm not mad at it. I would have probably got a percentage, 10% of my money paid in Bitcoin, and the rest I will have an option to do the rest myself, such as invest it how I want. Crypto collapse erased more than $1 trillion in wealth. By the end of last year, the value of Haston Carter cryptocurrency holding has climbed to about $250,000. He moved to a nicer apartment, bought a new truck, and started to think about pursuing his dream full-time career in game development. But over the past 2 months, the value of cryptocurrency have plummeted, taken with much of Carter's digital nest egg, a mix of Ethereum, the second most popular cryptocurrency in the world. It's getting out of hand at this point. I am not comfortable. I can't keep my money. Let's see. He's 30 years old who kept his day job. Smart to keep your day job. Signing and making business of his hopes of making his new career. I'm not sure if it's a wise decision. Thousands of Americans who jumped into crypto invested over the past 2 years in hopes of it to rocket with instant wealth. It's basically old heads trying to blaze cryptocurrency since it's down. They're like, oh my gosh, he's dumb for doing that. If you got into the stock market, it's down. So you ain't missing out on, nothing is completely doing the greatest right now. So yeah, they just trying to, this a bash on crypto type of article. But yeah, here we go. At least he's being honest right here. Yeah, both the crypto and stock market are attempting to claw back. Omar, why are you so turned? I wish I could show y'all him. He's just literally turned right now. If Beck, okay, all right, here we go. What I was talking about. A number of star athletes have entered into promotional deals with crypto companies that involve converting at least a part of their salaries into digital asset. The Los Angeles Rams wide receiver Odell Beckham Jr. announced in late November he would be converting $750,000 of his 2021 pay into Bitcoin as a part of agreement with the service Cash App. Okay, so he didn't do all of his money. It's only $750,000, and he probably got to $750,000 with Cash App. Let's see, what is Odell Beckham Jr. Odell Beckham Jr. contract? Let's see how much he make a year. His contract, I would guess, $3 million. Oh, so he got the minimum. So his whole contract is only $750,000 because he haven't been balling out. You know, being stuck over with the Browns, they giving him nothing. So he got a bunch of incentives tied into it. But yeah, I guess he said, let's just take my money and that, because before he was having big contracts. That's bad, man. Yeah, so Buddy ain't making no money at all right now. Let's see. So let's say if Beckham converted that amount into a lump sum at the time, it could be worth as little as $35,000. Now hold on. Those numbers don't make sense, because if he did it, let's see, if he did it in November in 2021, that really don't make sense. Now we got to do some research. What was Bitcoin price in November? I don't agree with them on that one. That don't make any sense. Let's see. November. So let's say he did it at the high. If he did it based at 69,000, which we know he didn't, but let's say he did it completely. This day he got 750,000. And right now, Bitcoin, we're just going to say it's half of that. It's not half, you know, so we're going to say it's half. I don't understand where they're getting their math at, because that means half of 750,000 is what, 320, well, not 325, we'd say 375,000. So we just say 350. Yeah, I don't get how their math is not too sad. After factoring in Bitcoin slide and his tax. Okay, if they add taxes in, I still don't think it would be that low. The industry surge has drawn a widened circle of Americans. Okay, so they just doing a little Bitcoin bashing. What's up to everybody that's in the building? How y'all doing? We are talking about the market. What's up to the new people that is in here? Hope all is well. Press that good old like button. Yeah. All right, let's see what's some good old crypto news right now. Let's see. Crypto news. Fight for Bitcoin, us and them. Market recap. Crypto holds steady as stocks keep trembling. Yeah, crypto did good today, man. They really did good. Bitcoin recovered from a 7-month low, 33,000. Do you guys think we hit the low and we bouncing back up? I doubt it. YouTube head of games leave and join Polygon Studios as CEO. That's interesting. OpenSea is adding, thanks for that like, whoever just did it. OpenSea is adding Solana NFTs. Okay. Kathy Wood Art predicts Bitcoin could cede. Here she go. Here she go. Kathy Wood is at it again. Kathy Wood, ARK Invest, predicts Bitcoin can exceed $1 million by 2030. Kathy Wood, that is 8 years from now. Is it possible? I highly doubt it. Let's see. The firm led by Kathy Wood predicts that a price can receive over 1 million. Bitcoin market capitalization still represent a fraction of global assets, and it is likely to scale as nation states adopt it as a legal tender, wrote ARK analyst of 2022, which was released. Let's see. ARK added in his Bitcoin outlook that the cryptocurrency is taking market share as a global settlement network. According to ARK research, Bitcoin cumulative transfer volume increased 463% in 2021, and its annual settlement volume has surpassed Visa annual payments volume. They got all they type of stuff. Let's see. Last year, Wood herself predicted that Bitcoin will reach 500,000 by 2026. What's your thoughts about that? I don't know, Kathy. I don't know. Bitcoin is 30,000 right now. I don't think it's going to reach that. Let's first reach 100,000. Shoot, let's first get back up to its high before we try to get that bullish. Sports NFTs are surging. Are any of you guys hip to any sports NFTs? They are going up heavy. I actually listed some of my sports NFTs for sale yesterday. Sports NFTs has experienced triple-digit monthly growth since the beginning of 2021. By 2025, the sports NFT industry is forecast to reach $75 billion in yearly purchases. Are you guys in NFTs? I purchased some NBA Top Shot NFTs, probably all under $100 last year around this time. The National Basketball Association was ahead of its time when it decided to create NBA Top Shots, and a venture with the blockchain company Dapper Labs. In July 2019, both companies joined forces to develop a blockchain-based platform that allowed fans to buy, sell, and trade. Are any of you guys hip to NBA Top Shots? It's probably one of the best if you ask me, because I'm an NBA guy. So I can understand NBA. So look at this. Now, mind you, I haven't been on here in probably close to a year, because I purchased only few NFTs when I first heard about it. So let's go to my collection. I got Moments. For those that don't know how Moments look, so I got this LeBron one, right? This is a LeBron moment where he is just literally passing the ball to this guy. It is 35,000 of these. I got this around, I don't know if I got it on January 10th. What day? It should show me somewhere the day I get it. But the top one has sold so far for 23,000. I have mine listed for sale for $1,250. Reason being, it's a year later. It's time, it's like, why not? You can see, usually the ones that's going to sell is the ones that's closer to the lower serial number. And when I looked at my serial number, it's going for like from $200 to $2,000. So I put it in the middle. And you see, it's smart. I got this one for sale. I got the 405th one of this 405 out of 40,000. And yeah, man, it's crazy. Like I tell you guys, when you buy NFTs, here we go. I bought this one on January 10th, January 22nd, and February 27th. Literally buy NFTs, in my opinion, and don't look at them for a year and come back and reevaluate the price. Because if I just sell one of them, I 10x my money. Completely easy. So yeah, definitely check out NBA Top Shot. I don't know if it have like a link to get you guys some free money or something. I will probably check into that later. What's up to everybody that's new in the house? What we are talking about today, tonight, we just talking about the Fed meeting. A lot of people are scared about the meeting tomorrow because they think, Jerome Powell is going to come raise interest rates. I think it's going to be a very boring meeting. Most people is not going to understand what they're talking about. Most people are not going to understand what's going on, in my opinion. And it's going to be chill. The market is not going to completely crash or anything like that. That's just my personal opinion. What do y'all think? Are y'all scared? Do you think the market is going to completely crash, or what's going on? And your thoughts. But yeah, man, the market is looking good. What is recently added? Welcome to everybody that just came on in here. I am looking for, let me see. Find it. Where I can do Fox. Fox. So give me, where you at? No, give me my music. Yes, kid. So I'm about to give this kid a dessert since he actually did good. He ate most of his food. I'm about to hook up this kid. Press that like button. Leave some comments while I disappear for 1 minute. Where is... I don't know. Why can't I find this weird? But we'll be alright. Click the pin link where I have you can get some free stocks with Moomoo. All you got to do is download the link, add some money to it. So I will be right back. Yo, what's up to everybody that just came in here? I had to take a hot daddy break and give this kid some some dessert. This is the time I can go live and get the as many things as possible done. So I dropped a few videos today. We did a video about Spell Token. Spell Token was going nuts for a hot second. And I actually decided I'm going to invest in Spell Token. I just looked at the numbers, the analytics, what they've been doing. I like it. I don't need to understand everything. I understand money. But right now, my rule of thumb, I am not buying anything that is green in the last 24 hours. I like to buy red. I do not like to buy any highs. So the next time Spell is red in 24 hours, that's when I will buy some. So remind me I did a video about VVS Finance. Should you invest in VVS Finance during a bear market? I honestly think you shouldn't. because of numbers. Just VVS Finance, they came into the game at the absolute wrong time. The worst time they can get into crypto within the last few years. And I just think they're going to take a beating, and it's not really a standalone coin. And the last one I did, I love talking about crypto.com. And I was wondering why crypto.com was basically taking off and not going crazy, but there was ahead of everybody else for a hot second today. And I just was thinking about, like, man, just the whole overall thing. The first part is whenever individual coins are doing amazing, you take Crow out the picture, a lot of people have to go on these exchanges to literally buy these coins. So you got to go on Crow to buy the Spell when it's going crazy, to buy X, Y, and Z whenever it's going crazy. And that helps them out. And since NFT's been completely taken off lately, they have a good NFT platform that's growing. So people still on there doing that. Let's see, we got Deshaun in here. We gonna be all right just the first month of the year. Man, have you been seeing like them funny memes, like the first month of the year getting beat up like crazy? House Spell token, yep, come on. You know I'm on it. You know I'm on it, man. Say what up to Corey, that's fam. Let me make Corey an admin. Let me make my brother an admin. Let's see if I can find you in here. Make Corey a moderator. There you go. You now have special powers, my brother. We can get the spammers out of here. Hey, cuties. Hey. I didn't shave my hair today, but I'll take it. I appreciate it. Hope all is well. Yeah, let's see what's going on in the market, in the old crypto. We're going crypto.com this time. Look at some of their prices. Somebody was talking about, is it Low Spring? Some people was talking about this today and said it's a good buy. I never looked into the company. They have a great market cap. Max supply, 1 billion, not bad. Let's see, how long have this company been around? So it's not a new company, not a new token. Been around since 2017. Been dead for a few years. Jumped up a little bit in 2021. Then went crazy. So I would have to see what made them start going nuts. And the trading volume in November went crazy. But the volume really have been dead. Just by looking at this, I probably wouldn't want to invest in them. Let's see, what do they do? Let's see. Loopspring is an open protocol for scalable non-custodial exchanges on Ethereum due to smart contracts. Zero knowledge proof circuits allow the building and high performance DEX can be staked. Yeah, it don't turn me on enough to want to invest in that one. But I'm going to do a video about Near Protocol. That looked like a very unique token. Oh, Bitcoin went past 37,000. Let's go. Bitcoin hit 37,000. What you trying to do, Bitcoin? What Ethereum doing? Ethereum hit 2,500 today yet? It's funny how they just correlate off it needs to be hit the same number to hit 25,000. 2,500 it needs to hit for 37,000. That's funny. Oh, there we go. Cardano finally turned green. You came here talking about Cardano. Ada said, man, let us do our little run right now. Can't talk about my dogs. Let's see. Talk about, somebody just said, Take a look at MCO2. Let's check it out. We say talk about Bitcoin. I have no idea what is Bitcoin, but we can look at MCO2 first. Let's check them out. MCO2. Where's MCO? I don't see MCO. Where's MCO? I don't see it. MCO. I don't see MCO. Now, is this the coin the other guy said? Did he say Beetle coin? Bitcoin? Is this the coin you talking about? I hope not. I hope this is not the coin you talk about. Yeah, if I haven't heard about the coin yet, it's probably not too sexy. If y'all want me to look at coins, look at real coins, man. Don't give me stuff that's not in the top 200. Ain't in the top 200, we don't need to be talking about it. All right, let's go back to crypto news. SEC didn't declare Ripple a security in 2018, so it changed in 2 years. What's y'all thoughts about it yet? SEC didn't declare it. On the latest ruling, the SEC versus Ripple case gave me the biggest takeaway, and here's what I find most interesting. On June 13, 2018, the day before the speech, recommended bringing that, Ripple is pushing back against SEC harder than anyone. Yeah, I just avoid Ripple. Any coin that's in a legal battle, that's not the answer. Yet another solo Bitcoin miner saw valid block, earning the world over 220,000. Jeez. I wish I did Bitcoin mining, man, and was able to figure that out at the right time. That's big money. Solo mining consists of attempting to validate blocks. Do we have any miners in here? Anybody know how to mine? How that work? You can make some crazy money when it come down to mining. Chainlink. Let's see what some of the coins is talking about on Twitter. Y'all see Elon Twitter? Did Elon make Dogecoin price go up? Because I seen him tweet about McDonald's. It's been driving later cyber truck prototype around Texas. Awesome. I would eat a Happy Meal on TV if McDonald's accepts Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Only King no. Okay, Kids turn. I had to check Doge price. I think it didn't skyrocket today like crazy. We got did VVS. What's Charles Hopkins? CHRLES. Charles talking about 13 hours. Here's my favorite interview with the Drunken Dragon Game. 5 hours interview. What was they talking about here?
Every now and then we actually interview people in the community for community projects. And we were joined by Jorge and Vletic. And they run a lovely community-driven project called Drunken Dragon Games. And I saw some screenshots of it, and
that's my favorite CEO, man. He's amazing. He'd hop into little Twitter spaces. He would debate with people. He would do it all. I'm with it. Let's see, the Sandbox, making an amazing art and Vox edit Sandbox stream. What was this about? Oh, I guess they about to stream right now. Wall Street Journal. Lakers do. It's almost Polygon. They talking about. I am elated to announce that I'll be joining. Oh, that's what they're talking about. He done switched ships. Crypto.com. Y'all talking about anything today? So what's up to everybody that just came in here? We are doing a little bit of crypto and we're talking about the markets. What's going to happen tomorrow? Okay, you said we going to the moon in Lambos. I like it. Moss Carbon Credit. Yeah, I'm not hip to them. Bitcoin not. Let's see. Bitcoin not mining need a processor. Okay, Camera can tell you he built his computer. Almost had to buy a computer to get part of it handled. Yeah, that's crazy. I ain't even knowledgeable enough to even get hip to mining at this point. But it was one video I was watching. I wonder if I can find it. Well, a guy did some mining actually. Let's see if I can find it. It's a YouTuber I just started following. And he did a video and he actually made some money just buying like this thing you just plug in and it automatically clean your air for you and you make money. Let's see if I can find him. I think I watched a video yesterday. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be able to find it. Dang, it was a good video. Because I don't remember his name since I just started following dude. As soon as I get off, I'm gonna probably end up finding it. But yeah, the stock market it's gonna probably have a green day. Look how nasty this look already. Top stories. Yeah, y'all got Omar in the back turning up. He is eating his dessert. I'm gonna get him to go to bed at 10. So he have 55 minutes. I'm about to probably run around with him. Let him lose some energy. Amazon has stopped paying workers to quit. What? Amazon has stopped paying workers to quit report. A report has quietly paused an internal program called Pay to Quit. The offer through which offer warehouse workers up to $5,000 to leave their job after the peak holiday season. So they're basically doing a buyout. Amazon couldn't immediately be reached. I'm not leaving my job for $5,000 unless, I was planning to leave anyway. Facebook parent Meta says it has a new that will be the fastest. Little computer chip. Everything is the fastest. Tesla's earnings are coming, and they better be good. A lot of people earnings reports, and another reason people are scared is because seeing all of these companies earning reports is bad. Once Netflix earning reports came out, it was worse than expected. Peloton stuff. So a lot of companies are expecting that these earning reports is going to come in and just going to definitely crash the market because it's going to be a lot worse. It's going to be interesting. I'm probably going to try to go live throughout the meeting. Ford shuts off orders for new 2000 Maverick pickup. I'm going to probably try to go live and do a live cover to it. But my birthday is January the 30th. And my wife have something planned for me tomorrow. I think she said we are going out to breakfast. Randomly, I guess my feet must look terrible because she's said I'm going to go get my feet done. So I guess my feet must have been bad. And she said she got a surprise at 6 p.m. So I think it's going to be a busy day. So I don't know if I'll be able to do any videos tomorrow. If I can, that would be good. I should just probably vlog what I end up doing tomorrow. That'd be fun. Warren Buffett Berkshire will host an annual meeting in person. Good stuff. Buffett, old man, not scared of COVID. 5 popular ETFs. Airline stocks to watch. So you guys, I have Moomoo ping to the top. Let me know if you guys have already received your free stock. Somebody asked in the comments earlier. He said, when do he receive his free stocks? With Moomoo, I think when you sign up for the account, it took 10 minutes for them to approve it. When I deposited money in the account, I think it took like 5 days because it takes a few business days for it to go. And once they approve it, you just log into the app and they say, congratulations, you did your first deposit. Go claim your free stocks. Then you click the little button and it's like a little spinning wheel. Get some free stocks up to 3,500. I think I got GoPro and I forget what's the other one. So I was able to get 2 free stocks. So make sure you guys click the link. It is pinged up top to be able to get you guys some free stuff. And let's see what everybody is saying. Yo Dog say Maple is looking promising. It is a corporate lending coin with a low market cap. Before I leave, let's look at Hedera. I haven't looked at Hedera in a while and see what they are doing. Let's look at them on. Actually, we'll look at them on Coinbase. Because I want to get into, I want to start purchasing some Hedera. I haven't did it yet. I don't know when I'm going to do it. Okay, Bitcoin just went back under 3,700. Where is crypto.com? Still trying to hit 40 cents. Hedera. H-bar. H-bar is up 4% today. Let's see, what's their low? So I guess anything under probably 25 cents is a good buy with them. So I probably like that. So appreciate all you beautiful people. Hope all is well. We are going to get this thing popping. Tomorrow, go check out all the videos I did. I think I released 3 of them things today. Might mess around, probably drop another one later on. I don't know. So I will talk to you guys later. It's been almost 1 hour. Let me go turn this kid up so I can turn him down. And I'm out.